Salam Amharic students. Welcome back to your Amharic journey. In today's journey, we will start a new series where we discuss the alphabets in Amharic. If you go to the address shown here, myamharicjourney.com/alphabets, you will find the Amharic alphabets that we usually use. So we will begin with the first row here. I have already provided the pronunciations, but I will also pronounce them, so you will be able to hear me and do the same. So we will start with the first row. The first alphabet in Amharic letter is Ha. Ha. The second one is Hu. Hu. He. He. Ha. Ha. You might have probably noticed that the first one and the fourth one, they have the same pronunciation, and that's correct. They have the exact same pronunciation, but they are written differently. The fifth one is He. 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 Ho. Ho. So now that we have seen how to pronounce them, let's go and see how to write them, and we will also give examples for each alphabet. The first letter here looks like the English letter U, and it is written in the same way, like this. And the second one is written like this. Yes, and the third one, we write it like this, or like this. Like this. Try avoiding writing it like this. Not like this. Not like this. And the fourth one, it looks just like this one, except it doesn't have this extension here, this one. So we just write like this, just a straight line that goes downwards. And this one, you actually pronounce it like he, the English word he, like she and he, the exact same way. And this one is he. You write it like this, he. And this one is he. Just like this. And the last one is ho, and you write it like this. Alright, now let's give examples for each letter. The first one, the example that we give is country in Amharic. Country in Amharic is Hagar. 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 It means country. Hagar. This one is this one. Ha. Ga. And R. Don't worry, we will discuss about these ones in the future. Let's just for now concentrate on the first letter here. Hagar. And it is country. And the second one, the example here is hulat. Hulat. It means number 2. I almost wrote hulat. Hulat, it means number 2. Number 2 in Amharic is hulat. For the third one, the example we are going to look at is hidat. 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 Here. Dat. It means process in Amharic. And for the fourth one, the example is habil. Habil. And it means necklace. Necklace. And you write it like this. Habil. This one is B. Habil. 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 And for the fifth one, we're gonna look at a female name, and we write it like this. Hair. Mela. Hermela. Usually it is written like this as well. Hermela. But in our example, we write it in this way. So, and here we have her here. And the example we give here is dream. Helm. 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 It means dream. And for the last one, the example we are going to give here is stomach. And we pronounce it as hod. Hod. So Amharic students, we have finished looking at the letters today, and you already know there are exercises on the website myamharicjourney.com that's going to help you to practice the alphabets, and it also shows you how you pronounce them. I will also create an exercise for you using the vocabularies here, so you will also learn the vocabularies. So today we have looked at the alphabets, how you pronounce them and how you write them, and at last, new vocabularies. Thank you very much for listening. Keep on practicing, and I will see you very soon.